Here's the story of Achievement Chief, who was leader of an agency named Tough. They were all really good guys who worked together until their lives got rough. Here's the story of a rat named Snaptrap, who was leader of an evil place called Doom. Things were going well until they lost their hideout and had to rent a room. And then one day the good guys met the bad guys, and they knew that it was much more than a fad, that this group could learn to live together and still stay good and bad. We're tough and doomed. We're tough and doomed. And only one of us will leave this room. We're tough and doomed. We're tough and doomed. And only one of us will leave this room.
Those weren't raisins.